So from first words to actually being able to speak, to Zappos with your shoes. Pretty huge transformation.
Right, big leaps, big leaps. So if we can just start at the shoe, I broke my neck at 18. At 36 years old, I finally took back that independence of me being able to put my shoes on again for the first time in literally half a lifetime. And the moment really was so special, we knew we had to share it. And we didn't really know what that meant. So for us to start, what we did was we made a Kickstarter campaign. It was a crowdfunding, vehicle to be able to get exposure through our own network, to be able to kind of experiment to see if what we had in mind was going to be a viable option, if people were going to like gravitate to the brand, if they're excited about the idea, and also to generate some revenue to be able to move forward to the next big step. So from that Kickstarter campaign, we went out and manufactured 4,200 pairs of shoes, and we got those. And unfortunately, the manufacturer we were working with did not do a good job. And those 4,200 pairs of shoes, 80% of them ended up being bad.